ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
CH3 taken thrice C Mg Br reacts with carbon dioxide and followed by hydrolysis. What is the product obtained in this reaction? What is the product obtained in that reaction? Okay, now for this question answer is CH3 group, carbon, CH3 group and CH3, 1 carbon 3 methyl groups, and MgBr, magnesium bromide, is reacts with carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay, now this alkyl group of Grignard reagent is attached to the carbon. Pi bonded electrons migrated towards oxygen, so oxygen is attached by magnesium. Then it gives CH3 group, carbon, CH3, and this tertiary butyl group is attached to carbon dioxide. Here C double bond O Mg Br, and further hydrolysis, breakage of the bond, hydrogen and OH group, then it gives carbon with 3 methyl groups, CH3, and this carbon is converted into carboxylic acid, and byproduct is MgBrOH. Okay, so here methyl group, 3 methyl groups. Here 2 carbons acid. Its common name is trimethyl acetic acid. Common name trimethyl acetic acid. Trimethyl acetic acid. IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3. At second position 2 methyl groups are there. Therefore 2, 2 dimethyl. 2, 2 dimethyl prop plus N plus oic acid, removal of E. So its IUPAC name is 2, 2 dimethyl propanoic acid. Common name is trimethyl acetic acid. Common name and IUPAC name. Now in this answer is trimethyl acetic acid. Okay, our answer is CH3 taken thrice C and COOH. Here 1 carbon is excess, 3 plus 1 4 carbons, here 4 plus 1 5 carbons, 1 carbon excess on treatment with Grignard reagent. This is the preparation method of carboxylic acid by using Grignard reagent. Yes, and one more preparation method. Preparation of carboxylic acids. Yes, and fifth method is preparation of carboxylic acids from derivatives. Derivatives of carboxylic acids. Derivatives of carboxylic acids. Yes, carboxylic acid derivatives are mainly acid chlorides or COCl, acid chlorides, anhydrides or COOCO or anhydrides, and also esters RCOOR, esters, and amides RCONH2, amides and cyanides. These are the derivatives of carboxylic acids. Okay, what are the main derivatives of carboxylic acids? Acid chlorides, anhydrides, esters, amides and alkyl cyanides. So hydrolysis of derivatives of carboxylic acids. The derivatives upon hydrolysis they can produce carboxylic acids. So hydrolysis of derivatives of carboxylic acids. Here towards hydrolysis reaction, reactivity order. This is important one. Reactivity order, reactivity order towards hydrolysis, towards hydrolysis, reactivity order towards hydrolysis. Here first of all acid chlorides, acid halides, highly reactive acid halides, and go for anhydrides, anhydrides, and after that esters, esters, and amides, and least reactivity towards water, cyanides. Okay, this is the reactivity order of derivatives of carboxylic acids. Okay, towards hydrolysis reaction, acid halides, anhydrides, esters, amides and cyanides. Right now first acid chloride hydrolysis. First reaction is hydrolysis of acid halides. Hydrolysis of acid chlorides. Hydrolysis of acid chlorides. Yes, acid chloride RCOCl, acid chloride. Upon hydrolysis water H2O. What happened here? This chlorine is replaced by OH group. So carboxylic acid formation RCOH, and byproduct is HCl. This is the preparation of carboxylic acid by using acid halide. Similarly, if you take acetyl chloride CH3COCl, acetyl chloride upon hydrolysis water it gives acetic acid CH3COOH plus HCl. Okay, formation of carboxylic acids by using acetyl chlorides. Similarly, if you take benzyl chloride C6H5COCl, benzyl chloride upon hydrolysis H2O, it is also produced by aromatic carboxylic acid, that is benzoic acid plus HCl. Okay, so preparation of carboxylic acids from acid chlorides. Then go for next one is hydrolysis of anhydrides. Second one is hydrolysis of anhydrides. Hydrolysis of anhydrides. Right here, anhydrides hydrolysis are COOCOR with water. Here breakage of the bond hydrogen and OH group. RCOOH. 2 moles of carboxylic acid is obtained. RCOOH. Okay. Similarly, if you take acetic anhydride CH3CO C double bond O CH3, this is called as acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride upon hydrolysis It is given by 2 moles of carboxylic acid, 2 moles of acetic acid. Benzoic anhydride C6H5CO C6H5. This is benzoic anhydride. Benzoic anhydride upon hydrolysis, it is given by 2 moles of benzoic acid formation. Okay, this is second one. Hydrolysis of anhydrides. Anhydrides upon hydrolysis, they can produce carboxylic acids. And one more is esters hydrolysis. Okay, hydrolysis of esters. And the third one is hydrolysis of esters. Esters hydrolysis RCOOR prime. This is ester. Ester upon hydrolysis in the presence of mineral acid H plus. This ester is converted into acid RCOOH, carboxylic acid and alcohol formation. Okay, it is a reversible reaction. Reversible reaction means both forward and backward reactions are simultaneously takes place. So ester upon hydrolysis, it is given by acid and alcohol. This is ester. Ester hydrolysis, acid plus alcohol. Acid plus alcohol gives rise to ester plus water. It is a reversible reaction. For example, if you take ethyl acetate, CH3COO-C2H5. Okay, this is ethyl acetate formation. Ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate upon hydrolysis, ester, in the presence of mineral acid like HCl or H2SO4. Now the product obtained is acetic acid, CH3COOH and C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol and acetic acid formation. Hydrolysis of esters. Ester upon hydrolysis, it is given by acid and alcohol. Ethyl acetate is the best example for ester. Ester upon hydrolysis in the presence of mineral acid, carboxylic acid formation and alcohol formation. It is a reversible reaction. Okay, reversible reaction means both forward and backward reactions are simultaneously takes place. This is ester hydrolysis. And another one is amide hydrolysis. Hydrolysis of amides. Okay, hydrolysis of amides. Amides hydrolysis. Yes, RCONH2. Amide hydrolysis. Here breakage and OH and water. Amide is converted into acid, carboxylic acid or COOH plus ammonia NH3. Okay, amide with water, carboxylic acid and ammonia NH3. For example, if you take acetamide CH3CONH2, acetamide with water. Acetamide with water, acetic acid formation, CH3COOH plus ammonia. Acetic acid. Acetamide to acetic acid. This is acetamide. Acetamide is converted into acetic acid. Similarly, if you take benzamide C6H5CO NH2, benzamide upon hydrolysis. Benzamide upon hydrolysis, it is converted into benzoic acid COOH plus ammonia NH3. Okay, so hydrolysis of amides, finally we are getting carboxylic acids. It is of cyanides. Cyanides hydrolysis. Cyanides hydrolysis reaction. Right, cyanide R C triple bond N, cyanide. Cyanide hydrolysis R COOH, carboxylic acid and NH3. So cyanides upon hydrolysis, they can produce carboxylic acid and ammonia. Okay, anywhere your cyanide upon hydrolysis, cyanide carbon is converted into acid and nitrogen is converted into ammonia. Okay, for example, if you take like this is cyanide. Cyanide with water, 2 moles of water, H2O. The cyanide carbon is combined with 2 oxygens and 1 hydrogen, COOH, carboxylic acid. Remaining nitrogen, here 3 hydrogens, ammonia. Therefore, your cyanide carbon is converted into carboxylic acid plus nitrogen is converted into ammonia, NH3. Okay, this is the common reaction, cyanide hydrolysis. Okay, anywhere the cyanide hydrolysis, cyanide carbon is converted into carboxylic acid and nitrogen is converted into ammonia. Here alkyl cyanide hydrolysis, carboxylic acid plus ammonia. For example, if you take methyl cyanide CH3C triple bond N, methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide on treatment with water, 2 moles of water. So what is the product obtained? Here the cyanide carbon is converted into acid and nitrogen is converted into ammonia. So therefore acetic acid is formed, CH3COOH, and byproduct is ammonia. Okay, so these are the preparative methods of carboxylic acids by using its derivatives, carboxylic acid derivatives. Hydrolysis of derivatives of carboxylic acids. First one is acid halides, second one is anhydrates, and third one is esters, and fourth one is amides, and fifth one is cyanides. Reactivity order towards hydrolysis is acid chlorides, anhydrates, esters, amides and cyanides. Then go for physical properties of carboxylic acids. Right, next one is physical properties of carboxylic acids. Physical properties of carboxylic acids. Physical properties of carboxylic acids. Lower member of carboxylic acids. Lower member of carboxylic acids are miscible with water. Okay. Lower member of carboxylic acids are miscible with water, means they are soluble in the water. Lower number of carbons containing carboxylic acids are miscible with water or soluble in water due to formation of hydrogen bonding. Okay, due to the formation of hydrogen, due to the formation of hydrogen bonding, H bonding. Okay, presence of hydrogen bonding, lower number of carboxylic acids are soluble in the water. Okay, or COOH, carboxylic acid with water. So here hydrogen bond formation takes place. Due to the presence of hydrogen bonding, lower number of carboxylic acids are soluble in water. And length of the chain increases, solubility decreases. Length of the chain, carbon chain increases, solubility decreases. Okay, length of the chain increases, solubility decreases. That is nothing but here carboxylic acids are organic compounds. Organic compounds are completely soluble in organic solvents. So therefore here length of the carbon chain increases, solubility decreases. So that is nothing but here like dissolves like. Okay, like dissolves like means organic compounds are soluble in the organic solvents and ionic compounds are soluble in the polar solvent like water. That is solubility. What about the boiling point? Boiling point order. Boiling point of carboxylic acids are greater than the alcohols, aldehydes and ketones by the comparable molecular weights. So here boiling point of carboxylic acids. Boiling point of carboxylic acids are greater than the aldehydes and also ketones and also alcohols of comparable molecular weights. Okay, carboxylic acids boiling points are greater than the comparable molecular weight of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids because of the reason is here due to the presence of extensive hydrogen bonding, extensive association. Extensive association is nothing but here hydrogen bonding, especially here dimer. Carboxylic acids are exist as dimer or that is nothing but extensive association. Due to the presence of extensive association in the carboxylic acids, their boiling points are greater than the aldehydes, ketones and alcohols. Here extensive association is nothing but due to the presence of hydrogen bonding, carboxylic acids are exist as a dimer. For example, here acetic acid CH3COOH, this is acetic acid, and 1 mole acetic acid CH3COOH, acetic acid. In between two acetic acid molecules, oxygen is electronegative, hydrogen is electropositive. In between positive and negative, hydrogen bond formation takes place. Here also same, here hydrogen is positive and oxygen is negative. In between negative and positive, hydrogen bonding. So presence of hydrogen bonding. How many hydrogen bonds here? 2 hydrogen bonds. Due to the presence of 2 hydrogen bonds, both the acetic acid molecules are associated with each other. That is nothing but extensive association. Due to the presence of extensive association or hydrogen bonding, their boiling points are greater than the comparable molecular weights of aldehydes, ketones and alcohols. Okay, it is a dimer of acetic acid and it is nothing but H bonding, hydrogen bonding. It is a dimer of acetic acid. It is a dimer of acetic acid. Okay, dimer of acetic acid. Right, once again, your lower molecular weight carboxylic acids are completely miscible with water, presence of hydrogen bonding. If the length of the carbon chain increases, solubility decreases because of hydrophobic part increases. Due to increase in hydrophobic part, solubility decreases, that is nothing but like dissolves like. Boiling point of carboxylic acids are greater than the aldehydes, ketones and alcohols of comparable molecular weight due to the presence of extensive association takes place in carboxylic acids. And lower member of carboxylic acids are pungent water, disagreeable water, but higher member of carboxylic acids are pleasant water liquids. Okay, these are the physical properties of carboxylic acids. Chemical properties of carboxylic acids. Chemical properties of carboxylic acids. Chemical properties of carboxylic acids. Here first type of chemical property, reactions due to the cleavage of OH bond. Chemical reactions due to the cleavage of OH bond. Okay, so what is the general structure of carboxylic acids? RCOOH. Okay, in these molecules, chemical reactions due to the breakage of OH bond, reactions due to the breakage of CO bond, reactions due to the presence of alpha hydrogens, and reactions due to total carboxylic acids. Okay, how many types of chemical reactions are takes place in carboxylic acids? OH bond breakage chemical reactions. Okay, reactions due to the breakage of OH bond. Second one is reactions due to the breakage of CO bond, and reactions due to the presence of alpha hydrogens, and reactions due to total carboxylic acid group, COOH group. Right, now we are discussing about chemical reactions due to the cleavage or breakage of OH bond. Okay, OH bond breakage one type, CO bond breakage second type, and total carboxylic acid group properties third type, alpha hydrogens fourth type. So total 4 types of chemical reactions are carried out in carboxylic acids. Yes, now first one is reactions due to the cleavage of OH bond. That is very important one is acidity of carboxylic acids. Okay, acidity of carboxylic acids. Now, first of all, carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid or COOH is dissociated into RCOO minus and released by proton. That's why its nature is acidic nature. Okay, according to Arrhenius theory, the substance which is releases the proton is called as acid. Here RCOOH is also releases H plus, that's why it is considered as acid. RCOOH, carboxylic acid is acid, H plus. Similarly, benzoic acid is also same, C6H5 here COOH. Benzoic acid is also dissociated into benzoate ion, COO minus and releasing of proton, H plus. Okay, now these carboxylic acids on treatment with RCOOH, on treatment with carboxylic acids, on treatment with sodium metal. Carboxylic acid on treatment with sodium metal, RCOONA, sodium salt of acid, RCOONA, and liberation of hydrogen gas, half mole of hydrogen gas. Similarly, it is on treatment with sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Now, the product is RCOONA and water molecule H2O formation. And one more important one is sodium bicarbonate is added. Sodium bicarbonate is added to the carboxylic acids. Now, in this case, here, if carboxylic acid is treated with sodium bicarbonate to form RCOONA plus a liberation of carbon dioxide and water. Okay, here especially carbon dioxide is releases in this reaction. That is nothing but it is the characteristic property of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid with sodium bicarbonate is, it is a characteristic property. It is a characteristic. It is a characteristic. It is a characteristic property of. It is a characteristic property of carboxylic acids. Okay, this is a characteristic property of carboxylic acids. When phenols are treated with sodium bicarbonate, there is no releasing of carbon dioxide, but carboxylic acids reacts with sodium bicarbonate, it releases carbon dioxide. So, based on the releasing of this carbon dioxide, here carboxylic acids main property is sodium bicarbonate. That's why, so reaction with sodium bicarbonate is a characteristic property of carboxylic acids. Right now, in this case, acidity of carboxylic acids, acidity of carboxylic acids, main different factors influenced on the acidity of carboxylic acids. Right. First one is inductive effect. Inductive effect. Inductive effect minus IE, minus inductive affecting groups increases acidity of carboxylic acids are also increases. plus inductive affecting groups increases acidity of carboxylic acids decreases. Okay, so acidity, most acidic and least acidic compound is identified by using inductive effect. Minus IE groups increases the acidic nature, plus IE groups decreases the acidic nature. Right. For example, if you take CH3COOH acetic acid, CH2ClCOOH, next CHClClCOOH, and carbon chlorine COOH. Among all these compounds, most acidic compound is chlorine, 3 chlorines, here 2 chlorines, here 1 chlorine, here without chlorines. Methyl group is plus inductive affecting group. Chlorine minus IE, here also minus IE, this is minus IE, minus IE, minus. Negative inductive affecting groups. Negative inductive affecting groups increases, acidity increases. So therefore, this is the most acidic compound. Acetic acid, chloroacetic acid, dichloroacetic acid, trichloroacetic acid. Trichloroacetic acid is most acidic due to the presence of 3 negative inductive affecting groups. Okay, 3 minus IE groups. So minus IE groups increases the acidic nature. Yes, then go for next one. Among unsubstituted carboxylic acids, formic acid is most acidic. Formic acid is most acidic nature, most acidic. For example, if you take here, this is formic acid, another one is acetic acid, CH3COOH, and propanoic acid, CH3CH2COOH, and butanoic acid, CH3CH2CH2COOH, butanoic acid. Hydrogen, here methyl group substitution, here ethyl group substitution, here propyl group substitution. So among all the unsubstituted carboxylic acids, means here sequence of carboxylic acids without substitution, 1 carbon acid, 2 carbons acid, 3 carbons acid, 4 carbons acid, without substitution. But here alkyl group, the number of carbons increases, plus IE nature increases. Therefore, most acidic is formic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid, and butyric acid. Okay, and another one is fluorine CH2COOH, chlorine CH2COOH, and bromine CH2COOH. Which one is most basic? Fluorine is highly electronegative, chlorine third most electronegative, bromine least electronegative. That means your electronegativity is directly proportional to acidity. Electronegativity increases, acidic nature increases. Electronegativity decreases, acidic nature decreases. So first one is most acidic compound. And one more example is chlorine CH2COOH and CH3CHCl COOH. CH2 COOH and CH3 CHCl CH2 COOH carboxylic acid. Next CH3 CH2 CHCl COOH. With respect to this functional group, alpha, beta or gamma, at gamma position chlorine, here it is alpha and beta position chlorine, this is alpha at alpha position chlorine. Electron withdrawing group is nearest to the functional group, alpha position, here beta position and gamma position. Distance increases, acidity decreases. So most acidic compound is alpha chlorobutyric acid, beta chloro and gamma chloro. So here acidity of carboxylic acids alpha, beta and gamma. Acidity of carboxylic acids alpha, beta, gamma. And one more important one is percentage of S character. Percentage of S character increases, acidity is also increases. Okay, percentage of S character increases, acidity increases. For example, if you take C triple bond C here COOH and CH2 double bond CH COOH and CH3 CH2 COOH. With respect to this functional group, adjacent carbon is sp carbon, adjacent carbon is sp2 carbon, adjacent carbon is sp3 carbon. S percentage of S character is 50%, here percentage of S character is 33.33%, here percentage of S character is 25%. So percentage of S character increases, acidity increases. Therefore here first one is the most acidic, then followed by second one. Okay, this is percentage of S character. And one more relation is acid dissociation constant values. Ka values increases, acidity increases. Ka value, acid dissociation constant value increases, acidity increases. And one more relation, pKa values are inversely proportional to acidity. pKa value is inversely proportional to acidity, but Ka values are directly proportional to acidity. And one more example for acidity, CH3 COOH and C6H5COH. COOH group common, but in aliphatic carboxylic acids CH3 group is sp3. Now this attached carbon is sp2. Therefore benzoic acid is most acidic than acetic acid. Similarly, oxalic acid, dicarboxylic acid, COOH, here COOH, CH2, COH. This is oxalic acid here, malonic acid. In oxalic acid, COOH group is common, COOH group common. Oxalic acid, malonic acid. Now here COOH group is negative group, COOH group is negative. Here CH2 group is positive, positive, negative, neutral. Negative groups increases the acidity. Therefore, oxalic acid is most acidic than malonic acid. Okay, when compared to malonic acid, oxalic acid is most acidic than malonic acid. And one more important one, COOH, COO minus, and COOH, here COOH. COOH group common. COO minus is the less inductive affecting group. COOH is the minus inductive affecting group. Okay, so minus inductive affecting groups increases the acidity of carboxylic acids. Okay, and acidity order for the different compounds. Acidity order for different compounds. First of all, carboxylic acids are most acidic than phenols. After that, water and alcohols. After that, alkynes and alkenes. Least acidic nature, alkanes. This is the acidity order of different compounds. Carboxylic acids, phenols, water, alcohols, alkynes, alkenes, alkanes. In the case of alcohols, primary alcohols most acidic than secondary alcohols are most acidic than tertiary alcohols. Okay, this is the acidity order of carboxylic acids. For example, here CH3COOH, one compound, and H2O is the second compound, and CH3CH2OH is third compound, and isopropyl alcohol is fourth compound, the tertiary butyl alcohol is fifth compound, and phenol C6H5OH is sixth compound, and CH triple bond CH acetylene is seventh compound. Which one is the most acidic compound? Okay, acidity order. Most acidic is first one because of carboxylic acid. After that, phenols. Where is phenol? Sixth one. Sixth one is most acidic. Next, water, H2O. H2O here absent. After that, alcohols. Alcohols, primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary alcohol is third one. Secondary alcohol is fourth one. Tertiary alcohol is fifth one. So after alcohols, next alkyne. Alkyne is here seventh one. Here water is also there. Here water at second position. After phenol, here water, next alcohols. And least acidic is seventh one. Okay, this is the acidity order of different compounds. One is carboxylic acid, sixth one is phenol, and the second one is water, third, fourth, five primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols, and seventh one is alkyne. Okay, and one more example. Number of electron withdrawing groups increases, acidic character increases. Here COOH carboxylic acid, NO2 group. Here carboxylic acid, NO2 group, and carboxylic acid, NO2 group. One more example. Benzoic acid, CH3 group. Benzoic acid at meta position, methyl group. Benzoic acid at meta position, methyl group. Next one is here COOH group, NO2, COOH group, NO2, NO2. And one more example is here COOH group, NO2 and benzoic acid COOH, here COOH and OCH3 group. In this one more compound is trinitrobenzoic acid. Trinitrobenzoic acid. Yes, among all these examples, orthonitrobenzoic acid, orthonitrobenzoic acid, orthonitrobenzoic acid, this is paranitrobenzoic acid, metanitrobenzoic acid. Acidity order. Orthonitrobenzoic acid is most acidic than para due to ortho effect, and followed by paranitrobenzoic acid. Why? Because here electron withdrawing group. If electron withdrawing group is present, okay, this is the electron withdrawing group. NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. Here electron withdrawing group. If electron withdrawing groups are present on the benzene system, on carboxylic acid system, acidity order is ortho, para and meta. Okay, benzoic acid, carboxylic acid, acidity order ortho, para, meta. If donating groups are present, ortho is always most acidic due to ortho effect. If it is electron donating group, here electron donating group, this is electron donating group. If electron donating group is present, ortho and followed by meta, least is para. So therefore, if electron donating group is present, acidity order is ortho and followed by meta and para. Okay, this is the acidity order. If withdrawing group is present, ortho, para, meta. If donating group is present, ortho, meta, para. Ortho, para, meta, ortho, meta, para. Yes, next in this case, NO2 group only one, NO2 groups 2, in this NO2 groups 3. Number of electron withdrawing groups increases, acidic nature increases. Number of electron withdrawing groups decreases, acidity decreases. So here more number of withdrawing groups, therefore most acidic is trinitrobenzoic acid, dinitrobenzoic acid and nitrobenzoic acid. Next, in these three compounds, NO2 group is electron withdrawing group, OCH3 group is electron donating group. Electron donating group, here electron withdrawing group. If electron withdrawing group is present, acidity is high. Here electron donating group least acidic, therefore benzoic acid. So electron withdrawing groups present, acidity increases. Electron donating groups present, acidity decreases. Okay, these are the main factors which are affecting on acidity. Okay, first one is Ka values increases, acidity increases. Ka values decreases, acidity decreases. pKa value is inversely proportional to acidity. Electronegativity directly proportional to acidity. And one more important one is COOH, salicylic acid and para-hydroxybenzoic acid. Which one is most acidic? Here ortho is the most acidic due to chelation. Due to chelation, it is most acidic. Okay, malic acid and fumaric acid. C double bond C, COOH, COOH, H, H, and C double bond C, COOH, here COOH, H, here H. This is malic acid. Malic acid, it is fumaric acid. Fumaric acid. Malic acid is most acidic than fumaric acid due to hydrogen bonding or chelation. In this, chelation is possible, therefore it is most acidic than fumaric acid. Okay, this is about acidic character of carboxylic acids.